Oh god, that's... So I found this weird drink in a vending machine at a hotel. It's from Asahi, and like it looks like it's some sort of corn drink maybe, I don't know. I really have no idea what it is. It is cold though, which is good. So yeah, I guess I'll find out. Well, I guess I'll have to try it. Cheers. I mean, it kind of tastes like, you know, fish oil, I guess. My guess would be it's some sort of corn tea, maybe, or something like those normal tea drinks you can get here. But I mean, it tastes like fucking fish oil. That's horrible. 1.0.